Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a video in Canva. Let's get into it. First, find the video you want. The first step is to go to a website like YouTube to find the specific video you want to use. You need the web address of the video to start. Go to the video website and look at the bar at the very top of your browser for the link. Highlight the web address and copy it so you can use it later for your task. The computer needs that specific address to know which video to pull into your design. Next, open the Apps section in Canva. You need to find the special tool inside Canva that lets you add links from other websites. Look at the left side of your screen for the menu and scroll down until you see the button that says Apps. Click on the Apps button to see a list of many different tools for your project. This section is where Canva keeps all the extra features that connect to other parts of the internet. It ensures you have the right tool ready. Next, search for the Embed tool. Now you need to find the specific tool that lets you put a link into your page so it turns into a video box. In the search bar inside the Apps section, type the word Embed. Click on the icon that appears that says Embeds to open the tool. This tool is designed to take a web link and turn it into a playable box. It is the fastest way to add a video to your project. Lastly, paste your link and add to design. The final step is to give the link to the tool so it can put the video on your page. Click inside the box that says Paste Web Link here and paste the address you copied earlier. Click the button that says Add to Design and wait for the video to appear. Once you click the button, the video will pop up on your page. Now your design has a working video, and you can move it or resize it to fit perfectly. And that's it. To embed a video in Canva, copy the video link, open the Apps section, find the Embed tool, and paste your link to add it to your page. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.